Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Particle Effects Animations V2 Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called the Particle Effects Animations V2. So this is the Particle Effects Animations V2 review, and right now we are on the sales page here where it says create awesome looking logo, animations, text effects and cinematic videos. No design skills required. Copy and paste straight into your projects. And this video was created 100% with animations and templates from this package. You will get access to this same video template that you can edit with your own details. So we can play this video and we can take a look at the animations here. So yes, in the Mytic videos, maybe I'll shut up. Some screens here you can see stars. So particles, those are called particles, right? You call stars as particles, I guess, intro. So you will be able to customize this, your website logo. You can change everything, and it could be a very good promotional intro video for 30 seconds for 1 minute for businesses, and you can sell these short videos to your customers or clients if you are a freelancer, I guess. Okay, or maybe use it for your own projects if you are some business yourself, restaurant or maybe bakery shop, salon, whoever you are, plumber, electrician. You can market this, you can market these services. You can put these videos on your website as well. Or if you run any Facebook campaigns, you can run video campaigns on Facebook using these intro videos, because Facebook, I guess, allows you to run short videos. You have to figure that out. Anyways, these are those particles. Yep. Particle Effects Animations V2. I like it. So go and get it if you want to. The video is done, short and sweet. And we have more features here, so grab your copy. This is launching on 7th of January 2023, so you might not see the product live yet, so you cannot buy it right now, but you have to wait 92 hours 39 minutes before you can buy this. Okay, so buy this on 7th of January 2023. It says here, make your video stand out with stunning done for you animations. Introducing this V2, what can you do with the product? Make text and VSLs look awesome. You have seen the sample video. Make live footage videos look awesome. Here is another sample, then more samples. Give your projects an instant makeover. And step 1 is choose from 25 pro animations. Open your favorite video or graphic app. You can use these apps, Filmora, Explain ADO, or maybe inbuilt app in your computer. Copy and paste animation into your project, and then you can edit them or customize them, right? So, or skip all the three steps, and you can get done for you Canva templates. You can edit them, you can edit them directly in Canva as well. Right. Create awesome looking scenes just like these. Okay, so these are sample background scenes you can see here. So you will have to visit the sales page. You may probably find the link of this page below my YouTube video somewhere. Here it might be saying grab Particle Effects copy, and click on that link and come on the page, and then just check out all these things in your free time. Plus we have done for you Camtasia templates. You can play these videos on the sales page and just check everything. I like it. And yeah, so you have a lot of formats as well, PNG, Canva, MP4 video. 30-day money back guarantee, so that is also good because they give you the refund as well. Now you can buy 2 licenses, commercial licenses and PLR licenses. There will be different prices for that. And before that, you can check what can you do and what you cannot do in commercial license, and what can you do in PLR license, and what you cannot do in PLR license. Okay, so that's it, I guess. Now let's talk about the pricing and the OTOs. So the price to start with will be, commercial license will cost you $20 and PLR license will cost you $40. Now difference between commercial and PLR license will be is that in a commercial license, you cannot sell these videos or these templates as per your own brand name. But in PLR license, you can put your brand name and you can sell these templates as your own. Okay, and in commercial license, you can use it for your clients' projects and for your own project. You can find more details on the sales page, but here we have the OTOs. So in commercial license, the OTO 1 will cost you 30, OTO 2 the same price. So all the OTOs are the same price in the commercial license, and you will find more details when you buy the front end, and then you will be taken to through the sales pages of these relevant sales page. You can pick and choose there. In PLR license, again, the OTOs are almost the same. So $50 OTO 1, $50 OTO 2, OTO 3 is 40, and OTO 4 is 40. The difference, I mean, you're getting the same things. It's just that in PLR license, you are allowed to sell these as your brand, okay? And we have discount, any discount, I'm not sure. Yeah, so if you will have any discount, that will pop up on the sales page, I believe. But here is the vendor for you. So if you go to overview, his name is Max. And you can see the kind of products he has been launching. So he's got good stars, 4.03, so 4 stars out of 5. And he is not selling you anything related to make money online. He's selling you something which you may or may not need. So if you are into video projects and you need these themes, whatever videos, you can go and get it. And you can make videos for yourself, for your business, for your clients, as a freelancer. And if you don't want this, if you are a hardcore newbie and you don't know what's going on here, then for a hardcore newbies, I would say you have to learn and maybe come to maybe next step. You have to be on step 1, not on step 0. You can't do anything if you're on step 0, okay? So let's say if your end goal is to make money online and you do not know much what's going on here, you don't know how to make videos, then this will not help you. This will only help people who are already into video editing and into selling and customer acquisition. I will not use that word next time. Anyways, so if you are already experienced and you know what you're doing, then go and grab these templates. If you're a newbie only and you want to make money online, then go below my YouTube video. You will find a couple of links. Right now, the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. In case if you want to make money with affiliate marketing by recording these YouTube videos, by recording these reviews on your YouTube channel, then go for Traffic Jarvis. It will help you everything about affiliate marketing and about YouTube, okay? Rankings and SEO and everything, okay? Now this Traffic Jarvis will also help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are necessary if you want to monetize your YouTube channel. So this will help you to get everything done. So just go and check this out. And the first link is very, very exciting. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is something which you may know, which you may not know. Okay, Forex trading is all about currency trading. So we have these currencies like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and all that. Okay. So these are major currencies. Now, when one currency goes up, the price of one currency goes up, other currency will go down by default, okay? So we need to go and utilize this method. We have to buy low, sell high, or maybe buy high and sell low, whatever, okay? So we have to make profits, but we don't know what's going on, we don't know what to do. So I am not asking you to do anything manually here. Instead, we will be using a software on this graph. So you can see our setup here. This is my virtual machine where we have set up this terminal, the machine, okay? And then we will be installing a software on this chart. That software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. We will not be doing anything. And you can see the balance here. So how much did I make earlier? So we made profit loss 275. This is only a small account. You can deposit as much money you can afford, okay? So this was a small account with $380 or something, and now it's up to 650. So we have made the money, and today we will be trading. Now I can show you my real account as well. Come here and you see the real account. So far I have deposited 768, out of which 100 I deposited only today. The total profit I made is 342, and I have withdrawn 220 already, which this is the money I have received already, okay? And it's all about investing, whatever you're flexible with. You could start with 100 bare minimum, okay? But I would recommend you to start with more. But anyways, you can put in 5,000, 10,000, 2,000, whatever you're comfortable with. The more you deposit into your brokerage account here, the more profits you will make per day, okay? But again, this is too much for you to absorb right now, because you will have to go through an extensive training of 7-8 hours, which is called the syndicate. So click on the first link here, and then come on this page here, and then enter your name and email address. Click on unlock the syndicate. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the sales page of the syndicate video. Training. And then check out the videos on those pages and then take the decision, okay? Because you will be learning something new which is not related to this affiliate marketing industry, and you have to pay attention to every video and follow the steps accurately and exactly the way you are told inside the training. That's the only way you will be able to set up all this machine. And when you need support, I will be available on Skype. You can chat with me on Skype and I can help you with all the things. So this is it. If you want to make money on autopilot with this forex industry, then go and get this syndicate. Okay, if you want to do exactly what I am doing on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, which will help you to do this affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing is manual, which means you will have to get traffic and make videos and get sales, and a lot of manual work will be required if you try to do affiliate marketing. Okay, and if you want automation and you want to let the software make money for you using the forex trading, then you can check out the syndicate, right? So in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, click on super thanks here. And the recap is particle thingy is good to go for people who needs it. If you need it, then go and grab it. You have seen the audios already. Okay, if you are here only to make money online, check out this forex trading, check out Traffic Jarvis, and in the end I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.